आप सभी को पता होगा एक स्पेनिश फ्लू आया था. मतलब व्हाट इज दिस फ्लू, what was the flu season, Spanish flu symptoms, what caused the Spanish flu, why was the Spanish flu called the Spanish flu. This flu takes heavy toll on the society. Fighting the Spanish flu, aspirin poisoning and flu, and how the US cities tried to stop this flu pandemic. And this pandemic of 1918 was the deadliest in the history, and it infected about estimated of 500 million people worldwide. So you can say like one third of the planet population, and killed an estimated 20 million to 50 million victims in the even 675,000 in Americans itself. So the 1980 flu was first observed in Europe, the United States and parts of Asia before, and it was swiftly around the world. So there was no effective drugs or vaccines that time as well, and there was so much of killer flu strains. I don't understand that the long time has passed, still we have the flu strains, and we don't have all this stuff still, and we don't have the proper vaccine. If you remember 2009 में भी स्वाइन फ्लू आया था, तो कितना ज़्यादा डेथ हुई थी, और उस समय भी ऐसा बोला गया था कि कैम्फर सूंघिए और इलायची, you have to smell that thing. So citizens were ordered to wear masks, schools, and everything was shut at that time also. Now during the flu pandemic of 1918, the New York City Health Commissioner tried to slow the transmission of flu. That was something they wanted to close and open the business in shift and something like that. Now, what is the flu season? So, in United States, flu season generally runs from the late fall into the spring. So, typically here, more than 2 lakhs Americans are hospitalized for flu-related complications. So, every year there are deaths related to flu, and 3,000 to 49,000 flu-related. Now, these are the this data is collected from multiple articles. Then only I am saying, and mostly the young children, people over age of 65, pregnant women, people with having the medical complications and conditions like asthma, diabetes, heart disease, or they have certain people have this जिनको बहुत जल्दी सर्दी खांसी जुकाम होता है, तो निमोनिया होता है, साइनस की प्रॉब्लम है, ब्रोंकाइटिस होती है, जल्दी छींक आने लगती है, उन लोगों के लिए ये हमेशा से खतरा है. स्पेनिश फ्लू सिम्टम्स जब हुआ था, तो उसका सिम्टम्स भी यही था कि इट हैज़ द चिल्स, फीवर, फेटिक, चक्कर आते थे लोगों को, एंड यूजली रिकवर्ड आफ्टर सेवरल डेज, और काफ़ी सारे डेथ हो गई थी बिकॉज उस टाइम भी वैक्सीन नहीं हुआ था. और फिर क्या होता है, सफोकेशन होने लगता है चेस्ट में, आप सांस नहीं ले पाते हो, एंड दैट लेड टू द डेथ. Now, what caused the Spanish flu? So it's unknown exactly the particular strain of influenza, but 1980 flu was the first observed in Europe, America, and the areas of Asia before spreading to almost every part of the planet. So despite the fact that 1918 flu wasn't isolated to one place, it became around the world as, क्योंकि वो वहाँ से originate होता है, जहाँ से भी आप उसका नाम टैग कर देते हो, तो it was Spanish flu as Spain was hit hard by the disease. Like just like we say कि चाइना से अभी ये आया है, तो ठीक है, एट द टाइम इट वॉज हिट हार्ड बाय द स्पेन, तो वो स्पेनिश फ्लू के नाम से आ गया था, एंड दैट वॉज सम वॉर टाइम वॉज देयर, एंड इट इम्पैक्टेड सो मैनी पीपल. उस समय वर्ल्ड वार 1 भी चल रहा था, एंड सो मैनी वर्ल्ड वार 1 सर्विसमैन को भी इनफैक्ट उसने इम्पैक्ट किया था. बहुत सारे यूएस सोल्जर्स की डेथ हो गई थी ड्यू टू 1918 फ्लू, एंड बैटल्स वर ऑल्सो गोइंग ऑन, वॉर वॉज ऑल्सो गोइंग ऑन एट द सेम टाइम दिस थिंग हिट द वर्ल्ड. So this was all about the Spanish flu, and why this flu was called the Spanish flu, I already told you, like it was not originated in Spain, but it was hit hard there. Okay, so that was the French flu or the Spanish flu, and whatever you say, and where it has come from. So scientists still don't know for sure that from where it was originated, but their theories pointed towards France, China, Britain, US, where the first known case was reported at camp in Fort Riley, Kansas on March 11, 1918, and some believe that the infected soldiers spread the disease to other military camps across the country, and then it brought to the overseas. So in March 1918, 84,000 American soldiers headed across the Atlantic and were followed by 118,000 more than the following month. At that time also they were said like to wear the backs of camphor around the necks, it's to the children, and so that you will have the flu prevention. स्वाइन फ्लू के टाइम पे भी ऐसा बोला गया था, जैसे मैंने बोला आपको. तो यही था, और फिर वो बहुत मुश्किल से फाइट किया, बहुत मुश्किल से कंट्रोल हुआ, सब कुछ बैन हो गया था, सब थिएटर, पब्लिक प्लेसेस, एंड धीरे